PageFly.
Hi guys, welcome back to PageFly video tutorial series. This is a new video in the series of videos named What PageFly Can Do. In these videos, I will use PageFly to build Shopify pages based on famous websites. To show you capability of PageFly, today, I will guide you how to build a Coming Soon page based on a sample page. Let's take a quick look at the page. Coming Soon Page is a landing page that can capture visitors' interest and emails, encourage them to learn about your business or product, and help you expand your reach before your official launch. The Coming Soon page will act like a password page. So to get started, let's click on Create from Blank Page, then select Password Page. So, we are currently in the PageFly page editor and I am going to show you how to jazz up this section. Firstly, I will head on over to the left sidebar and grab a 1.2.5 layout element, which I will just drag and drop onto the page to make things look even better. I will adjust the padding a bit. Then, I will scroll down to pick out a background color for this section. Next, I will add a heading. A countdown timer. And finally an image element. Let's click on each element to restyle. So, let's start with the heading. On the General tab, we can easily add the content we want in this text box. Then, moving on to the Styling tab, I'll pick out a color that looks just right. After that, I'll scroll down and select the font family and font size, and click on More Settings to adjust the font weight, line height, and letter spacing. When click on the countdown timer, you can see its parameter on the General tab. I will customize its function one by one. Move to the Styling tab. Let's adjust the padding and margin. And the last one is color. We offer two convenient options to upload images, either directly from your computer or simply copy and paste the image URL. It's as easy as that. Now, let's move to the next column. We will follow the same process as the left side. I will include two headings and one paragraph. I will copy the style of the heading in the left column and paste here. This way will help you save time. And now we'll adjust the style for the second heading. Next is the paragraph. You can do similarly as the way I did for the heading above, and here is the result. Next, I will add a customer form field here. Just need to drag and drop like this. Let's style it. If you want more information about using the PageFly button element, you can check out the description. Don't forget to check the responsive on other devices. Let's switch to mobile. And voila, we're done. Hit the Save and Publish to check the page on live view. It's gonna look like this.
This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more new videos. Our friendly and knowledgeable team is available via live chat 24/7 to assist you with any issues you might encounter. Thanks for watching.